The hidden cost of chasing job security. What if the job you thought was safe is actually your biggest risk? Hi, for those that are new, I'm Holly, a mom, grand, and great grandmother who rebuilt my life in my 70s. And I've seen too many people cling to jobs that ended up vanishing overnight. Back in the day, job security meant loyalty. You gave decades of your life, and in return, you expected a pension, benefits, and retirement. But let me ask you this. Have you ever been laid off or known someone who gave their best years to a company only to let go before retirement? That to me is just criminal, but it happens often. That's the hidden cost. Trading your energy, your health, and your time for security that was never guaranteed. Today, the truth is this: automation, outsourcing, and AI, artificial intelligence, are reshaping industries. Jobs that used to be stable are disappearing real fast. But here's the flip side: there are also more opportunities now than ever to build something that truly belongs to you. That's what I did. I found a system that let me replace fear with freedom. Just a couple hours focused a day, 100% profit, and no cold messaging. It's not a get rich quick overnight situation. So let me ask you again, if your job ended tomorrow, what's your plan B? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And if you're ready to explore what I follow daily, hit subscribe, check the link in my description, and watch my previous videos. It's in the description, one of them, but I have many. You'll learn a lot of things because I do offer value when I do videos. Security is not found in a job. It's found in the skills and systems that you own. So look forward to hearing from you.